This is David Mann of Lottodds. It is March 24th, 2023. All right, I'm making this video unlisted, so it's not going to be on YouTube. It'll just be in the forums on Lottodds. I want to keep going over the new Click2 quick pick that we're going to be releasing hopefully by next week. It's the upgrade. And I want to make sure you guys are familiar with the process, so when we release it, you'll be able to take off running with it and start making some big wins. Okay, so to understand how it works, I'm going to show you by doing it by hand. And not only that, you're going to be able to do this by hand now before it's released to catch some wins. So if you're going to do something like this, look, it deals with level 1, 2, and 3. All right, so it deals with level 1, 2, and 3. So if you're going to work out the 3 levels, then it could be kind of tedious, okay? Because you got to grab the 3 pass winners from level 1, 3 pass winners from level 2, 3 pass winners from level 3. But you get the 3 pass winners from level 3 with these different high, low, odd, even numbers. So that's where it gets tiring. What you could do is just basically play with level 2. A lot of the winners do show up in level 2. And you could just play level 2 for now until we release and see what comes up. Or just test it on level 2. I'm going to show you how that works. So if I take something like, let's see here, like I'm in Florida, so let's do Florida. Florida is actually here. It's on the first level. Florida's on the first level. You know what? That's easy. Let me show you on the first level. When I talk about first level, let me show you something here. Let me just show you what we're working on. So how far we got. We're still working on it. So Click2. We're gonna rename this Click2 pick, quick pick. Click2, 1, 2. Here you go. You're gonna see something like this. Okay. So level 1, level 2, level 3. All right. So level 1 is the landing page. Level 2 is when you isolate pair sum plus 8 pair sum, like 7, 2, 3. That's level 2. Level 3 is when you add to the pair sums that you just isolated. You add here 2 pair sums, high, low, odd, even. Okay, low, high, odd, even. That would be level 3. And level 4 is the 2 pair sums, front and back, level 4. This is where all the winners rest, all the default numbers here. So we don't want to get that far. We want to work with levels 1, 2, and 3 because we're working with less numbers. However, when we do launch the Click2 quick pick, I'm going to show you how utilizing level 4 is going to help you visualize the win, okay? It's going to help you visualize the patterns, visualize the win, and it's pretty cool. When you look at something like this, it's kind of confusing, all these numbers and stuff, right? But I'm telling you, with level 4, it's going to look something like this. Let me give you a sample. Like this, okay? All right, like this, okay? So you're going to be able to see the actual numbers here for the 2 pair sums front and back right there, okay? And when you look at it this way, it's going to be easier to see the patterns even much better. And look, each one of these, right, have only 1 or 2 numbers connected to them. So if you see something like this, 7, 7, low, high number, high, high, low, you see a lot of low, 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 high. And you think like a high, high is due, and you're working with this pattern here. Well, if you're going to grab numbers from, level 1, level 2, level 3, you could always also grab 1 or 2 numbers from here by looking at, for example, high, high, right? You're going to look at high, high numbers, and look, you only have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers here. High, high. Okay? And then when I showed you how you can combine the hit and miss here, you see? Whenever you have a hit, okay, it means the last 3 winners had the digit to the first number or first digit of the next winner. Okay, like here, see 3, 3, and the first digit of the next winner was a 3. Look at here. 4, hit 4. 4 here, hit 4. 2 here, hit 2. Every time you have a hit, that's what it means. So if you see a hit and hit is missing, like here, miss, high probability hit's going to hit next, then you know one of these digits here, past 3 winners, are going to be the first digit of the next winner. So if most of them are low, start with low numbers, right? That's how we work. We work with the box numbers low to high, okay? And then we can convert them later straight if we want to play straight. You'll know that it would be either a 0, a 1, a 2, 3, or 4. Those are the only low numbers like that. So if you're looking at something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, it's none of these. See here? So it could be, you could be looking at next number coming out high, 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 like that, okay? And if you were looking at something coming out low, high, then you just know it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And it'll basically be these numbers and stuff. And you can work down from there. For example, 9, 2, 1, you could see what came out previously. You could isolate 9, 2, 1 and see what came out previously, work that out. And these numbers are going to be in level 1, 2, 3. So a lot of these numbers would be taken up anyway, these numbers. Okay, so that's something to talk about in the future. All right, I don't want to confuse you too much right now. I just want to show you how you can work this out so you can see how many numbers you could play. When you see something like this, and we're going to work out, say this is level 1. So let's see how many numbers show up for level 1, how many numbers you would have to play to hit it here. Okay, and I want to add one more thing. 7, 2, 3. A lot of people say, okay, the winner came out in the first level here, but how do we know how to play 7, 2, 3? All these other pair sums, how do we know which one's going to hit next? Well, we're going to create something like this. In the quick pick section, we're going to create here, where it's going to tell you how long that number has been out, okay? Either 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, or 2 months. So you'll know which pattern is overdue and you can play it. Okay, so patterns like popular 921 and 912, you saw 912 hit 2 times in a week. Well, 921 is overdue. Okay, you play that one. Okay, that's how you do it. And since you're playing very low numbers, okay, you can play it repeatedly, absorb multiple losses. Okay, so let's get to the meat of the thing here. Let's work this out, okay? And we're talking about here. So we're looking for, the winner is 3, 4, 6. And someone mentioned Lottodds. How do you back test it? Okay, he didn't understand backtesting. He knew some people had backtesting it, but he didn't know how to do that. So this is how you backtest it. So we're going to take we're looking to catch 3, 4, 6. Take 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, excuse me, 3 past winners. 1, 2, 3. We know it's going to hit on the first level, so we could stay on this page and work this out. So this is what you do, like this. Look, okay. All right, take 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. Take 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and take 0, 3, 6. Now, first level, we're going to do, okay, get the digits out of here. Okay, you got 0, you got 2, you got 3, you got 2 3s, and you got, what is it, 6? Oh, 4, and you got 6, and you got 9. So that's basically what it says. See, you got 0, you got 1, you got 2, you got 3, 3, you got 4, and you got 6, and you got 9. Now let's go to the third level, right there, or I should say third row, and then we're going to work this out. And what we're going to do is we're going to come here, and I'm going to choose box. We're going to go 64 pair sums, and we are working with, the winner was 723, so we're going to label this 723, like that. And then we're going to start working this out. So very simple, just pick 723 because it's on the first level, like that. And then we're going to go to the numbers up here, and we're going to leave 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn off 5. Turn off 7. And okay, so you have the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Oh, turn off 8 also, and you have 9. Okay, just double check that. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 9. Perfect. Look at that. 4 numbers left. All right, but let's see if we can reduce them even more. Yes, we can. You see you have double 6s here, but you have only 1 6 here. Remove that. You have double 6s here again. Remove that. Look at that. You have 2 numbers left. What was the winner? Bingo. Right there. Look at that. There's the winner right there. 3, 4, 6. Exactly. That is what this is going to do for you. The quick pick. Click2 quick pick, the upgrade that we're going to be releasing hopefully next week. It's going to have these 2 numbers are going to show up here on the 3rd row right there. 1, 2, 3, 4th row, I guess. 4th row right there. Okay. And it's going to show you 1, 4, 6 and 3, 4, 6. That's all you would have to play. Okay, and the winner was 3, 4, 6 out of 220 numbers. Let's do something on the 2nd level. Let's find something on the 2nd level. All right, so let's go. Let's go New York. New York. We could do it any state. Let's see here. 149, North Carolina. 149. You know what? Somebody talked about Arizona today. Let's do Arizona. Let's see if we find something on the 2nd level. 057. 057. Isolate. Hold on. Isolate. What were isolating? Oh, 723 again. 0577. Okay. 723. Arizona. Okay. Then go to 8 pair sum 23. Let's see if we have it on the 2nd level. Oh, yeah, it's right there. It's on the 2nd level. Okay, remember what I told you what the 2nd level was. 2nd level is when you isolate, right? The pair sum with the 8 pair sum, that's the 2nd level. And we have one there. And this is how you work it out, okay? Same as you did with the 1st level. You simply just take the past 3, right? Here, look. Just take the past 3. You're looking for 057 as the winner. So you just take the past 3. Let me take this out. Hold on. Okay, so you just have to take the past 3, 055, past 3 from the winner, 237, and 146, 146, like that. Then you work out the digits like this. You got 0, you got 1, you got 2, you got 3, you got 4, and you got 5 this time, and you got 6, and you got 7. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so let's work this out now. Let's go to the prediction tool here. All right, so hold on. All right, that's good. So 64 pair sums right there, and we're going to 723 is the pattern. So 723. Now, if you're working with such small numbers, like 2, 3 numbers, you can play multiple of these pair sum patterns, okay? So you don't have to play just one. So when you're trying to figure out which pair sum comes out, you can look at the overdue. When you see these overdue here, okay, you can play multiple ones, okay? 10-2-3 hasn't hit, okay, 0. 11-1-2 hasn't hit. 12-3-3 or 9-2-1. You could play them all if you're playing a small amount of numbers. All right? Remember, there's 220 numbers in box, and which you can convert to straight using the prediction tool. I've showed you many times in the past on Lottodds. Now, let's work this out now. So, okay, we're going to go up here in the numbers, and we need to leave these on. Okay, all these on. We're going to turn off, hold on, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is off. 8 is off. 9 is off as well. So there you go. Now we're going to grab these numbers and see what else we're going to reduce. So here we're going to reduce, we got the 5, 5. We're going to do this 6, 6. We're going to reduce 7, 7. We're going to reduce another 6, 6. We're going to reduce another 7, 7. So that's how much you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers in the level 2. And what was the winner? The winner was 057. There goes your winner right there. All right. I'd like to do one more in reference to hopefully we could the third level. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do the third level because it takes a lot more work. Like I showed you here, you got to work out all these patterns and stuff. And anyway, the quick pick is going to do that for you automatically. It does it within seconds, so you could go through multiple states. So anyway, I hope that helps you to understand Click2 Quick Pick. That's going to be launched hopefully next week. And you can now know how to back test it yourself and to see how these work out. And you can, if you work in your own state, you can utilize what I just showed you to pick the next winner. Okay? Level 1 and level 2. Okay? Good luck.